Hello children, welcome to our class. Now force and laws of motion numericals. First question, what force would be needed to produce an acceleration of 4 meter per second square on a ball of mass 6 kilogram? First we have to write always given. So mass they have given as 6 kilogram, acceleration which is equal to 4 meter per second square. So we know that directly the formula F, that is force, is equal to ma. So 6 into 4, 24 Newton. So force which is equal to 24 Newton. Second numerical, what is acceleration produced by a force of 12 Newton exerted on an object of mass 3 kilogram? So what they have given, m which is equal to 3 kilogram mass, and force, the force of 12 Newton exerted. So force F is equal to 12 Newton. What is the force formula? We know that F is equal to ma. They have asked here acceleration. So a which is equal to F by m. So 12 by 3 which is equal to acceleration 4 meter per second square is the SI unit of acceleration. Next question, a motorcycle is moving with the velocity of 90 km per hour and it takes 5 seconds to stop after the brakes applied. Calculate the force exerted by the brakes on the motorcycle if its mass is 200 kg. So they have given the first, they have given u, that means it's moving with the velocity of 90 kilometer per hour. So u which is equal to 90 kilometer per hour, we have to change it into meter per second, so that 90 into 1000 by 60 into 60. So 1000 by 3600 is the kilometer to meter conversion formula. We are going to use it. So 90,000 by 60 into 60. So we will get 25 meter per second. What they have given, the mass is 200 kilogram and the time which is equal to 5 seconds. Right. Now they have asked calculate the force exerted by the brakes on the motorcycle if its mass 200 kilogram. So for that we must know first, with the help of the acceleration we must know force which is equal to ma, the formula we know that. For a we have to use v minus u by t. So which is v is what? 0, because brake he applied. So 0 minus the 25 by 5. So you will get minus 5 meter per second square. Now the F, force, which is equal to ma, 200 into minus 5. So you will get F which is equal to minus 1000 Newton. Okay. So next question, calculate the force required to impact a car of velocity 30 meter per second in 10 seconds. The mass of the car is 1500 kilometer. Right. So what they have given, as usual we have tried the given first. So v which is equal to velocity which is equal to 30 meter per second and t within 10 seconds. So acceleration which is equal to v minus u by t. So 30 minus 0 by 10. So 3 meter per second square acceleration we got. So calculate the force which is required for the impact. So 1500 into 3 which is equal to 4500 Newton. So F is equal to 4500 Newton. Next one, a force of 5 Newton gives the mass of m1 and acceleration of 10 meter per second square, and a mass of m2 has an acceleration of 20 meter per second square. So what acceleration would it give if both masses are tied together? So m1 which is equal to what they asked, m2 which is equal to what? The acceleration 1 they have given 10 meter per second square, and acceleration 2 20 meter per second square they have given, and F1 and F2 both we have to take it. The force of 5 Newton gives the mass of M1. So for both they have given the 5 Newton force. So F1 and F2 which is 5 Newton. We have taken here F1 which is equal to A1 M1. So M1, how can we get it? F1 by A1. So once M1 which is equal to Newton 5 Newton and by 10, acceleration is 10 when we are applying that value, you will get 0.5 kilogram value. Okay. Now F2 which is equal to A2 M2. So F2 by A2 which is equal to M2, you will get the value of M2 which is equal to 5 by 20. So 0.25 value you will get kilogram. Now you want the total together the masses. So together the masses means you will get M which is equal to M1 plus M2. So 0.5 plus 0.25 which is equal to 0.75. So 0.75, the formula we know that. So the formula F is equal to what? MA. What they asked? What acceleration would it give both masses? So both masses together we will get 0.75. The force which is equal to MA from the base formula, we will get A which is equal to F by M. So which is equal to 5 by 0.75. So into 100 when we did this, 500 by 75 you will get. Then you will get A which is equal to 6.67 meter per second square. You got it, children? Thank you, students.